Today. So just now I already asked you to read the new words and do your revision. Then right now today we will start to learning lesson 3. First one we will starting from some warming up. So look at your new words in lesson 3. Okay, we start from warming up. So the first one, try to move quickly. The first one word 钱. Which picture it is? 钱 钱 钱 picture B. Very good. Try to reacting quickly. Then one more. 打电话 打电话 sense the tone. 打电话 打电话 Very good. Picture D. 手机手机手机手机 Picture C. Very good. Then 苹果苹果苹果A apple, right? 再见再见再见 Every time in our class I will say OK 谢谢大家再见再见 bye bye, right? 水果水果水果fruits, right? Fruits 水果. So these are the new words, some warming up words. Then let's check in. The first slide I'm showing is the word have opposite meaning. Okay, like big, small, hot, and cold, this kind of word. So then 大 meaning means big, 小 small. Okay, we have 大 means big, 小 means small. Then we have another word 多 and 少. 多 meaning means more, 少 means less. In your pronunciation, 小 means small, 少 means less. Make sure you can catch these two words clearly. The pronunciation 小 small, 少 less. So check your pronunciation clear. Then we have this word 儿子 and 女儿. You learn in lesson 2. Already remember 儿子? What's the meaning? 儿子. Very good. We got so many people already remember the meaning. Then 儿子 means son, 女儿 daughter. Okay. Then 男女 Okay. 男女 So 男 meaning means man, 女 means female. Okay. 女 Then these are the words. So do you understand 男老师 What's the meaning? 男老师男老师男老师 male teacher very good 男老师 So then if I'm saying 女学生女学生学生 student female student, right? Female student means all the girls in our class 女学生 So all the boys in our class we say 男学生 Okay 男学生 All the boys in our class Then So 女学生女老师 means male female But if you hear people say 男朋友 and 女朋友 Okay 男朋友 and 女朋友 So they are not the male friend or female friend. 男朋友 and 女朋友 only means people in relationship. So means your girlfriend and boyfriend. Okay, 男朋友女朋友 is people in relationship, not your normal friends. normal friends, we just say 我的朋友. Okay. So if you want to say people that this is my girlfriend, this is my boyfriend. So people in relationship, we use 男朋友,女朋友. Okay. So these two words don't forget. So 男朋友,女朋友 means people in relationship. If you just they are your normal friends, we just say 我的朋友. Okay. My friends. This one you have to be careful. Normally 男 means male, 女 means female. So then continue, we have 是,不是,是 means is, 不是 is not. They also got opposite meaning over here, right? Then we have the word have. How to say have this one in lesson 3? Which word means have? Which word meaning means have? Very good. 有, right? Third tone. Okay, 有. Then in our class, I will ask question like, do you have question to it? So you will answer no. Then the no word I'm telling you is not a 不. So you have to answer 没有. Because 没有 means don't have. Okay, 没有. For example, you can say 我没有朋友. I don't have friend. 我没有男朋友. I don't have boyfriend. Okay, so then 没有. This one, remember, 没有 means don't have. 有 means have. Same like your pronunciation, 朋友. Okay, Y-O-U, your pronunciation. Don't open your mouth very wide. Don't yell like that. If you open your mouth wide, then it's another word. Because 有, okay, circle your mouth. 有 meaning means have. If you open your mouth wide, that will be 要. 要 meaning means want. Okay, they are totally different meaning. So if you say 我有朋友, I have friends. If you say 我要朋友, is I want friend. Okay, both 有 and 要 we will learn in Mandarin 1. So please make sure, be careful with your pronunciation. Don't pronounce the same. Okay. Then continue, we move on. Today we were talking about numbers. Okay, numbers. So from 1 until 5, sense the tone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sense the tone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sense tone by yourself. Then number 6 until 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is from number 1 until number 10. Then from number 1 until number 10, this is the very basic things. When you need to counting from number 1 until 99. Okay, if you have to counting from number 1 until 99, then you only need to remember from number 1 until 10. Then you can free to count about other numbers. If you remember number 1 until number 10, you can free to count any numbers from 99. Okay, within 99. So make sure 1 until 10, every people can remember faster. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number 6 until 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, because this one is the things I need you to remember how to use your fingers to show number 1 until number 10. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are same, right? Same, more or less they are same. But starting from number 6 will be different. Okay, this is the gesture in China. So then when you take Mandarin, also make sure you can understand how they introduce number 1 until number 10. Number 6 is like this, 6. Okay, 6. Front or back, totally same. Front and back is the same. But don't put it like this way, okay? This is a hello, every people understand it, right? This is a cause gesture. So then number 6, you put it like this one. Front and back both mean 6. Then continue number 7. Okay, 7 over here. 7 showing you 3 fingers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers put together is 7. Okay, So because in China we use a sum. A sum means number 5. Okay, your sum means number 5. So then number 5 plus another 2. Okay, 5, 6, 7. So these 3 fingers put together is number 7. Okay, 7. 7. Look at here. Then 8. Front and back. Front and back is the same. Okay, front and back is the same. Don't put it straight. Straight is shooting. Every people knows it. So then 8 look like that. Okay, 8. Then 9. Okay, 9. It's like you're writing a number 9 at here. Okay, it's a writing numbers number 9 at here. So then this is 9. So 10, you have 2 ways to show 10. The first one is a fist. Okay, a whole fist is 10. 10. Another one is you can use your finger to say it's a cross over here. Because a cross in Mandarin, see in the bottom side, this is like a Chinese character 10. Okay, Chinese character 10 is a cross, look like a cross over there. So then you can use first way to use a cross to show this is 10. 10. Okay, 10. Then you can use a fist to see this is 10. Okay. So then one more time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clear. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so make sure I remember about this one because in the future when you have quiz or listening test, maybe we will show you a finger to ask you, okay, which number is this one? For example, in the listening test, we gave you a picture for this. Then we read 5. 5. So you will know this is wrong because this is number 6. Okay, not 5, not number 5. Okay, so make sure number 1 until number 10, every people remember clear how to use your finger to show number 1 until number 10. Okay, then continue, we will checking for another things over here. 你会读吗? Do you understand the meaning? 你会读吗? All the words 会 and 读 we learn in lesson 2. 你会读吗? What's the meaning for my sentence? Try to reacting faster. I told you if you didn't remember the new word, you will soon get lost. 你会读吗? 会 meaning means can. 读 read. Yes, only one people recognize means can you read it? So 你会读吗? Then the first picture over here, how many balloons and here counting the numbers. So you type I read. First one, how many numbers, how many balloons and here? You type in Mandarin, I read it. R over here, R. Very good. Then second picture. Second picture. I already used my finger to show it, right? I already used my finger to show it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over here. Okay, 6. Then picture 3. Picture 3 over here. 8. Very good. 8. Picture 3 at here. Then number 4. Number 4. Sun over here. Very good. Then number 5. Number 5 over here. Number 5. Very good. Number 5 is 7, right? Then number 6. Number 6. 4. Very good. 4. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then number 7. Number 7 over here. 5, right? 5. Then number 8. Number 8. Number 8. 9, right? 9. Very good. That means you already catch the numbers quickly. So then this is about numbers. So still I'm telling you, remember the pronunciation. Also have to remember how to use your finger to show number 1 until number 10. Then I want to share another happy information for you. So that if you send a message to your friends, right? When you type the message, so you will see some Chinese people, they type something like this. They type a bunch of five over there. Because number 5 in Mandarin read as 五. So 五 over there actually means the people is crying. Okay, so next time once you say they type a lot of 5 over there means, oh, what a pity things. The people is crying. So then, if in our class, this is in China, so when people type a bunch of 5, meaning means they're crying, they feel sad. But if in our class, if someone speaks Thai language, so actually number 5 in Thai language is ha. So then, in Thai people, when they type number 5, it's they are laughing. In Thai, they type number 5, it means they are laughing happily. So China and the Thai language totally different. Then remember, once you remember crying sound, the "oo" means crying. So it's same like number 5. Then you can quickly remember the number 5, how to pronounce it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, number 5 is 五. So that this is about some story about numbers. So continue, we will learn about this one. 你的朋友在哪里? Understand it? 你的朋友在哪里? Question word is 哪里. So the 你的朋友在哪里? 哪里 means where. So 在哪里 in where? 你的朋友 your friend. So where's your friend? 你的朋友在哪里? So the first one, your friend is in room 224. When we say the room number, we read numbers separately, one by one. So how to say room 224? Quickly review your numbers. Try to repeat them a lot of times until you can catch them. 2 2 4, right? 2 2 4. Room 224. Then, if your friends stay at 302. 302, the 0 is 0. Okay, 0. So how to say 302? 我的朋友在 very good 302. Okay, 我的朋友在302. Then about 109. 109. Okay, very good. We got so many people catch it quickly. Then 315. 315. 315 over here. Yes, also we have a lot of people already find it, right? But then I want to introduce these things to you. So check over here. We have one special information or tips for you. So check just now when you read the room number, which rooms you read it wrong, actually. I will give you the information, right? Because number 1 in Mandarin, the pronunciation is yi. So number 1 we read as yi. Then number 7 we read as qi. So yi and qi, if people stand very far away, you read yi, qi, so people cannot hear it very clear. So that's why when you tell people your room number, phone number, car numbers, even your metric number, when you tell them about those numbers, then we will change the number 1 pronunciation into yao. So there will be no difference and there will be no misunderstanding anymore. Okay. So when our friends stay in 109, actually should be yao 09, right? 109. So we tell people 我的朋友在109. Then your friends in 315, we say 我的朋友在315. Okay, I already remember. This is just when you read room number, telephone number, car numbers, your metric number, you read 1 as yao. But if you just counting normal, like you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we use yi. Okay, still we use E, didn't change. So continue, we will learn how to counting from 11 until 99. Okay, so I told you just now, only remember from 1 until 10, then other numbers don't need to remember them. So like here, I already list from 1 until 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is 10, right? So when we counting first group, okay, it's number 1 until 10. This is the group must remember. Okay, then from 11 until 19. Okay, when we counting this group, it's like you use a 10 plus another numbers. So like 11 is 10 plus 1, right? So it's 10 is 10, 1 is 1. So 11, 11 is 11. Okay, 10 plus a 1 over here. 11. Then 12. R is number 2. 10 is number 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12, 12. Okay, so 11, 12 over here. Then careful with one thing. Just in lesson 2, when we learn 女儿, when we learn the word 女儿, I told you 女儿 in the middle you have a comma over there. You have to remember, right? You have 女儿 between the in the middle of the word we have a comma. Then today we meet another word also have a comma over there. So far we have 2 words. Okay, both got comma in the middle. The first one 女儿. Then another one 12. Okay. So far only these 2 words. In the whole level 1, only less than 5 words. They got a comma in the middle, less than 5. Okay. So 女儿 is the first one. You need to put a comma in the middle. 12 also 12 the second one. Okay, 12 the second one. You have to put the comma in the middle. Other words 没有. Okay, other words 没有. So only these 2 so far. Then like 13, it's 10 plus 3, it's 13. So 14, 10 plus 4, it's 14, right? Very easy. Then after that, when you count in number 20, starting from number 20 until the number 99, it's totally same like you count in Malay. Okay, so start from number 20 until 99. When you're counting, totally same with Malay. Okay, like number 20 in Malay, you say dua blue. So dua is 2. 2. Blue is 10, 10. So then you say 20. Okay, 20 is 20. Then for example, when you say 25 over there, 25, dua blue, lima, you have 3 words. In Mandarin, it's the same. 25. Okay, 25, 25. So do you understand it? Yes or no? For example, I said how to counting 48. How to counting 48. So you quickly only use number 1 until number 10. So quickly, how to counting 48. 48. Okay, 4 words over here. 48. Very good. Okay. Then we check some example. Make sure you still follow. So 你会读吗? Can you read it? So you type your answer. Okay. The first one, how do you read it? Just now we teach. Only use number 1 until 10. How do you say this one? And the first one, 12. Very good. Remember we put the comma in the middle, or some people forgot. So 12, the second word, we got a comma in the middle. 12. Very good. Then the second one. So how do you count it? 10 plus 8. 18. Very good, right? 18. Then very good. So continue. Let's see this one. In Malay you say tiga blue, right? So in Mandarin, how do you say it? 30, right? 30. Very good. So far number 4. 5, 6, 6. So I already finished counting. How about you? 56. Good. 56, right? So then, very good. So continue. Number 5. 41. Uh-huh. 41. Very good. 41. Then 99. 99. Then how do you say it? 99, right? 99. Very good. Then one more. 73. So then 73. Good. 73. Right. The last one. 60. 60. Very good. So this is how we counting, right? It's totally very easy. Only remember from number 1 until number 10. So you can free to counting all of them. So I have to ask you a question. If we are free to counting from 0 until 99, actually how many numbers you must remember? If you want to free to counting from 0 until 99, how many numbers in total you have to remember actually? Really? 11. 11, right? Because we need to count a 0, must remember 0. Then it's 1 until 10, we must remember. So total 11 numbers you must remember. Okay, so 0, 0. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so total 11 numbers must remember. Then, very good. So we move on. In our book lesson 3, we have 手机. 手机 means your phone. Then 号码 means number. Okay, 号码 means number. So 手机号码 means phone number. Okay, 手机号码 phone number. Then 你的手机 你的means your, so your phone. Okay. Then 手机号码 means phone number. But if I ask you 学生号码 did you catch it? 学生号码 This is the full name 学生号码 But normally people just say 学号 for short form. People just say 学号 for short form. Do you understand the meaning? 学号学生 we have learned in lesson 2. 号码 means number. So student number, right? So actually 学号 short form 学号 is your metric number. It's a number for every student, right? So next time 学号 is your metric number. Okay, 学号. So this one we can easily remember it. Then 多少 we have this word 多少 I highlighted in red color means this is a question word. Okay, 多少 means how many. We ask question to numbers. Okay, so if your answer is a number, then we will use 多少 to ask the question. Then let's see the sentence. 你的手机号码是多少？你的手机号码是多少？你的手机 I tell you meaning means your phone. 号码 means number. So your phone number is how many? In English they say what's your phone number? Okay, what's your phone number? So at here you have to be careful. Okay, in English they use what as a question word. But I'm telling you what in Mandarin is 什么. But actually 什么 your answer will be object. This is last time we have learned, right? 什么 your answer will be object. Means name of something. Right. But actually 你的手机号码是多少 What's your phone number? Your answer is not object. So that's why in Mandarin we don't use 什么 to ask the question. Okay. Because your answer are numbers. Then, so we use 多少 because 多少 is used to ask about numbers. So this one have to remember. So never directly translate as 你的手机号码是多少？I'm sorry, 是什么？Cannot ask by 你的手机号码是什么 ？Okay, we don't use 什么 to ask for it. Then inside this question, I use red color to highlight the question word. 多少 is the question word means how many. Ask for numbers. That means you have to put your answer at here. Then change 你 into 我. Okay, change 你 into 我. So if your answer is this one, how do you say it in Mandarin? Numbers you have to change into 拼音. Okay, the number of the phone number you have to change into 拼音. So change to Mandarin. Use the things. Think about it. Just now, what did I teach? How do you answer in a full sentence? How do you answer in a full sentence? How do you answer this sentence? Check the sentence. How do you answer in a full sentence? My answer I already write at here. The first one very quick, but there is a mistaken insight. Nope. Think about just now. What did I teach? When you say your room number, car number, and your phone number, number one, how do we read it? So quickly fix your problem. Then as I'm telling you, yes, so the correct one we should read as, I already typed that here. 我的手机号码 very good, I already remember. So we change 你 into 我. So 我的手机号码是016407812. Put full stop mark in the end. Okay, put full stop mark in the end. So this time, every people can remember. Next time when you're counting your room number, phone number, and your metric number, number one, we have to read as 幺 because E and qi sound similar. That's why we change E into qi when you tell people what your number is. But if you're just counting normally, like you're counting how many students here, so we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so you're counting like that. Okay. Good. So I didn't change the answer into Mandarin. But I already type in the group chat. You can check. Okay, Webex chat, I already put the correct answer. So continue. Just now for number one, we have to introduce. If you're counting normally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number one, how do you read it? Very good. E, right? But if you read a phone number, which one? Very good. Yao, right. So then, but actually for number two, okay, because for number two, we also got two pronunciation if you check your book. When we counting normally, just now when I teach you number two, how do we read it? Just now when we learn. Very good. We read art, right? So many people can follow. But if we counting things, so if you have object after it, for example, if you want to say two people, I got two friends. Yesterday I saw her buy two cats. So if you have two something you want to say, then we have to use 两. Okay, 两. So if you have object after it, like 2 year, 2 day, 2 people, so we'll use 两 for counting how many things they are. But if you're just counting normal numbers, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Only this number 1 and 2, they got 2 pronunciation. Other numbers, they only have 1 pronounce. Okay, other numbers, they only have 1 pronunciation. So you have to remember. Then another thing is when you're writing the numbers from 1 until 99, don't write separate. Okay, don't write separate. For example, if you write 55, 55, so we only write them together. Okay, don't type them separate. 55, we write together as one word. Okay, number less than 100, they write together, no space in the middle. Okay, I never write separate. This is the things you have to be careful. Then continue, we will have this one to introduce. About number 1, E. Okay, about the word E, original tone is E written like this. But E, when they match with other words, they will change the tone. Okay, they will change the tone. So if you forgot, you can refer to my video the first time of our WebEx class. Okay, I uploading OL. If you forgot what is the tone change, why the word E, they have changed the tone, you refer to the video again. Okay, you just know it's E. When they match with other words, we will change the tone according to the word put after it. If the second word is tone number 1, 2, 3, then we say E like this. The tone is number 4. Okay, we change it to number 4. But if it's number 4 tone and a neutral tone, we change to second one. Okay, just a writing. So for my suggestion, it's not a very big deal. You just memorize those words. Okay, you just memorize them together. Then, if you forgot, you can refer to my video. Okay, so right at here, we don't repeat anymore. Then continue, we will talk about the word 个. Okay, 个 is the M word. So when you counting, okay, when you count the things, just now I'm telling you, you're counting 2 people, 2 days, right? So when you count the things, you will put a number and the object at here. So in English, between number and the object, they don't have the word, they put it in the middle, right? But in Malay language, you have, same like in Mandarin. For example, you say 2 books. In Malay, it's dua buah buku. You can also say dua buku, but normally, formally, you have to put the word buah in the middle. Same like in Mandarin, okay? In Mandarin, it's you must put, okay? No matter it's formal or informal, you always have to put the word in the middle. When you count the number and the object, in the middle, you have to put the word, okay? But for translation, we don't need to translate the middle word. Okay, word in the middle, we don't need to translate. We just translate number and object. So let's see some example, then you can understand. For example, at here, 6个医生. Okay, 6个医生. 6 is the number. 医生, the things we are counting. So do you understand? Word in the middle, you don't need to translate that. Do you understand the meaning? 6个医生. 医生 we learn in lesson 2. 6个医生. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is this one. 6个医生. What's the meaning? Very good. 6 doctors, right? 6 doctors. So between number and the things, the noun, you have to put a 个 in the middle. Okay, I don't forget it. Then continue. Let's see more. 9个学生. What is this one? 9个学生. 9 is this number. 9个学生. Very good. 9. Not 7. 7 is 7. Okay. 9个学生. Okay, 9 students. Very good. So when you're counting the things, normally we can just use 个 to count it. Okay, we normally most of the words we just put 个 in the middle when you count it. But in Mandarin level 1, we have 4 special case for you. Okay, we have 4 special case. Cannot use 个, we use other words. Okay, The first one is when you're counting for books, we have to use 本, cannot use 个. Okay, counting for books, we use 本, don't use 个. Then, if you're counting for a piece of cake, a piece of pizza, a piece of apple, like you cut the apple into small pieces, right? So if you see one piece of something, we put a 块 in the middle. Okay, we put a 块 in the middle. Then, for example, so you will see 3块蛋糕. Okay, 蛋糕, this word, if you learn Mandarin level 3, you will meet this word. Level 1, don't need to remember. 蛋糕 meaning means cake. Okay, 蛋糕 meaning means cake. You will learn in Mandarin 3. So 3块蛋糕 means 3 pieces of cakes. Okay, 3 pieces of cake. Then, if you're counting for building, okay, if you're counting for building, we will use 家 to count it. But for building, actually, we have 2 ways to counting for it. If it's informal, then building, we can use 个 to count for it. For example, one hospital. Hospital word is 医院, right? One hospital. Informal, we can just say, normally we just say 一个医院. One hospital. But if you say it in a very formal way, we can say 一家医院. Okay, 一家医院. Did you still remember 家? Last time in lesson 2, when I teach you, I told you 家 meaning means family or home. You can say house, like my family, right? 我的家. But 家 also can use as a word when you're counting for building. Okay, this is a very formal way. So next time when you say 一家医院, also you can say 一家学校. 学校 school we have learned, right? 一家学校 is very formal way when we say one school. Okay, so don't translate it as one family school like that. So 家 is can used as a formal word counting for buildings. Okay, I put the picture at here. So this means the picture is the things you're counting. The word blue word is the word you put in the middle. Okay, then like number 4. If you're counting a glass of something, so we will use 杯 for it. Okay, if a cup of water, a cup of coffee, a cup of Coca-Cola, so we say 杯, we put a 杯 in the middle. For example, if we say 6杯咖啡. Cafe, you will learn this word in Mandarin 3. Mandarin level 3, you will see the word 咖啡. Right now, guess the meaning by pronunciation. I think you can understand it. What is 咖啡? Very good. It's 6 coffee, right? So 咖啡, is the word in level 3. You will learn it. Okay, so 6杯咖啡 means 6 coffee. Means they put into cup. So 6 cup of coffee. So this is the meaning, right? When you're counting the things, when they put in the cup, so you use 杯 to counting the things. If it's buildings, you can use 家 to count as formal way. If it's informal, you can use 个 count for the building. But a piece of things, you use 块 to count for it. Then 本 is the word only counting for books. Okay, so only level 1, only 4 special case. Okay, 4 special case. Book, a piece of something, building, and a cup of something. They got special words for it. If there are other words, please just use 个. Okay, if I don't involve the picture at here, then you always use 个 to count for it. Okay. So, like the example I gave you, 两本书. Do you understand the meaning? 两本书. 两. Just now we learned about 一 have 2 pronunciation, 一 and 幺. 两. So 二 got a special pronunciation. 二 and 两. If you count normal numbers, we use 二. But if you're counting things, we use 两, right? So 两本书 very good, means 2 books. Okay, 2 books. So then we check for more. Okay, we continue. So just now we introduced about how many? But actually in lesson 3, we have 2 words means how many. The first one is 几, another one is 多少. Both of them means how many, but they have a difference. Okay. If the answer is numbers less than 10, then we will use 几. But if the answer is number more than 10, so we use 多少. Okay, do you understand? Try to remember. Less than 10, numbers less than 10, we use 几. Numbers more than 10, we use 多少. Okay, so your answer, there will be only numbers. They don't have like 2 books, 2 days, two people. The answer don't have other words inside. They only got number. Okay, only numbers. Cannot plus other words inside. So if it's numbers less than 10, we use 几. More than 10, we use 多少. Okay. So 我有5个朋友。我有5个朋友。我 means I. 有 have. I have 5个朋友。Understand it? What's the meaning I'm talking? 我有5个朋友。5 friends, right? It means I have 5 friends. Very good. So right now, I want to ask question to 5. I want you to ask question to 5. If you want to ask question to 5, which question word do you choose right now? Which special question word do you choose for 5? If you understand, try to answer me so I can know how many people already get it. If I ask question to 5, very good. So we will use 几 at here, right? So we put a 几 at here. Then we check the rest of the sentence. We have 我 at here, so change into 你. Then the whole sentence will be 你有几个朋友? Okay, 你有几个朋友? So we copy other words to your sentence, right? So this is how many friends do you have? In lesson 3, we have the word 打电话 means call someone. Okay, 打电话 means call. So we have the word 给. 给 have 2 meaning. First meaning means call to someone. Another meaning means give. Okay, give. Like give to you, 给你. Okay, give to my mom, 给我的妈妈. Okay, then so at here, 了 meaning means already. Okay, 了 meaning means already. So I need you to pay attention. 了 meaning means already. Then we got similar words. 的 meaning means someone's. Then ma for yes or no question. Then the last one is ne, meaning means how about. So those words, make sure you fully remember them. They look similar. They don't have a tone. In someone's eyes, they totally didn't care what's the meaning of it. So make sure you remember it clear. When they put these words inside the sentence, no matter which one, even though they don't have a tone mark, but still they counting as one word. Okay, for example, like 我的朋友. They have 3 words inside. Okay, the word don't have a tone mark, but still they counting as one word. Okay, last time a lot of people asked me, 李小姐, whether 李小姐 counting as one word or 2. Of course, 李小姐. How many words is 李小姐? Seriously? We told you it's people's name count as one word. 李小姐 is people's name or not? This one, right? So once I ask you like this, then you can know. Only people's name count as one word. If they are not people's name, definitely they are 2, right? So 李小姐, they are 2 words. Then, so 我的朋友, they have 3 words. 李小姐 have 2 words. Okay, so this time no more mistakes. Then 了 means already over here. Check the sentence. 下午他打电话给我了。下午他打电话给我了。下午 you have learned in lesson 1. 还有早上好，上午好，下午好，晚上好。What's the meaning for 下午? Do you still remember? Is there any people can remember it? 下午 What's the meaning for 下午? Means evening, right? Time between 2 to 6 o'clock. So means in the evening, 他 is a he. So evening he called to me. 了 means already, means the things happened already. 下午他打电话给我了. If you put 了 in the end, means the things already happened. Okay. So means in the evening he called to me. So I need you to check the sentence. In English, you can just say call me, call you, call my mom. But in Mandarin, cannot directly say it. You have to put 给 in the middle. Okay, you must put 给 in the middle. Cannot say 打电话我. Okay, cannot say 打电话我，打电话妈妈. This is wrong. You have to put 给 in the middle. So call to me, call to my mom. So have to put 给 in it. Okay, this one have to be careful. Then continue. These two people talking, we have the new word 今年 meaning means this year. Then 多大 meaning means how old, asking for people's age. Then we got 岁 meaning means years old. Okay, years old. For example, 5 years old. 5 is 5. 5 years old. 5岁. Okay. Then 今年你多大了 means this year, how old are you? So 多大 I already used red color to highlight, means question word is here. When you put your answer, you use your answer put at here. Other words copy down. Change 你 into 我. Okay. So the answer will be 今年我26岁了。26岁 together is the answer. Because this is how we introduce people's age. Okay. So 26岁 how old is these people? 26 1 2 3 4 5 6 26岁26岁 very good 26 years old. Okay, so remember other words, you use your answer to replace the question word. Change 你 into 我. Other words you copy down. 了 also must copy. Okay, it's other words you copy all the words into the sentence. Okay, never forgot any words. Then, so, do you understand the meaning for this sentence? 谢先生有2个儿子，一个7岁，一个9岁。If you already understand it, it means your lesson 1, lesson 2, you learned it quite well. It's a super long sentence at here. Do you catch the meaning? 谢先生有2个儿子，一个7岁，一个9岁。谢先生有2个儿子。If you still have words you don't know, then finish your revision well. And here the new word is just 2有7. Those words are new words, but the front part is somehow it's like you should understand it. 谢先生有2个儿子，一个7岁，一个9岁。Oh, we have one answer already. Super correct. So very good. Totally correct over here. 谢先生。先生 means Mr. So Mr. 谢 has 2个儿子 has special word for number 2, right? So Mr. 谢 has 2 sons. Then 一个7岁 means one is 7 years old. The other one is 9 years old. Okay, 一个7岁，一个9岁。So in the future, you will have quiz 1. So quiz 1 is we will do it in online learning. We already inform you in the beginning of our class. Then in the quiz 1, when you do so, we will give you a long sentence like this. Some sentence even longer than this one. So it's like reading comprehension. So you just make sure you calm down, try to catch the meaning. What's the meaning for it? Then you can translate it by yourself. All the words are the word we already learned. We don't have new words for you. Okay. So you just make sure you calm down, put your answer over there. Then over here, 你的女儿30岁了吗? For this sentence, 你的女儿 means your daughter. 30. 岁 years old. Your daughter 30 years old. 了 means already. Your daughter is already 30 years old or not? 你的女儿30岁了吗? Okay. There are some examples. The one thing to know, when we ask for people's age, 几岁 is ask people younger than 10 years old. 多大 is for people older than 10 years old. Okay, so all the students in my class, I will use 你多大了 to ask you. Cannot use 你几岁了 because 几岁 for children younger than 10 years old. Okay, so this one you have to remember. Then, so question word is here. Answer will use number plus years old. Okay, cannot just say number. You must put the word 岁 inside. In lesson 1, we have the word very 很. Okay, we can use 很 match with adjective like 很漂亮,很高兴. Then we have also learned the word 太 too. Okay, too happy. 太高兴. But also we can say 太高兴了. Le means already, so I'm really too happy about it. So this is like a sentence pattern. Okay, so let's see how many adjectives you already learned so far. Like today we have a lot of adjectives. We have 大 means big, 小 small, 多 means more, 少 less. 高兴 we learn in lesson 1, right? Happy, 漂亮 pretty. So you can say 很大, 很小 very small, 很多, 很少, 很高兴 very happy, 很漂亮 okay, very pretty. But there are two words I need to remind you separately. The first one is 很多. 很多, these two words together meaning means many. Okay, I don't translate it as many more. Okay, or very more. 很多, two words together meaning means many. For example, we say many friend 很多朋友 many student 很多学生 okay, many books 很多书 so 很多 two words together meaning means many okay, then if they say 太多了 meaning means too much okay, 太多了 too much. For example, next time I give you a bunch of homework, a lot of homework, so you can tell me 老师太多了 the homework is too much okay, 太多了. Then if we have the word 些 in lesson 3, 些 meaning means some okay, 些 meaning means some. We have another one 谢 in tone number 4 okay, 谢 we have 谢谢 right, in tone number 4. So 谢谢 meaning means thank you. They write XIE but in tone number 4, so 谢谢 meaning means thank you. Then if it's XIE, tone mark is number 3. 写 meaning means write, writing Chinese character 写汉字 okay, then this today new word XIE still but tone number 1. 些 meaning means some okay, meaning means some. So 些 is a short form meaning means some. Original the word is 一些 okay, 一些 is the original words. 一些 meaning means some. So 些 is one word for short form. Then we can have another two word 这些 and 那些. 这 means this. Don't translate as these some. Okay, in English we say these and those. So 这些那些 means these and those. For example, we check the sentence. 这些苹果太小了。这些 means these. So these 苹果 apples. These apples are too small. Okay, 太小了。Then we have another one. 她给了我一些水果。She gives me 一些水果 some fruits. Okay, 她给了我一些水果。So we check for the last part today. Okay, 钱 meaning means money. Okay, 钱 means money. 没有钱 don't have money. Okay 有钱 have money. I got money. Then 多少钱 means how many, right? But 多少钱 meaning means how much. We're asking for price. Okay 多少钱 asking for price only. Still remember 多少 only can be numbers, but 多少钱 is for price. Then 你的汉语书多少钱 means your Mandarin book. How much is your Mandarin book? Then when we answer the price, we will use this word ringgit. Price always got number and the unit, right? So ringgit 令吉 okay 令吉 Then the number and the pinyin, they are not match. Okay, they are not match. The first one, 54 ringgit, 54令吉 is answer D. Okay, 54令吉 is here. So we put the numbers first, then put ringgit. Okay. 79 is 79令吉. Number 2 is 79令吉. Number 3, 2令吉. Okay, 2 ringgit. Remember we say counting. 2 people, 2 ringgit, 2 day. We use 2, not 2. So 2令吉, 2 ringgit. 37, 37令吉. Then 26, 26令吉. Okay, this is how we're counting for price. Then we have another word, yuan. Yuan is the money in China. So if you're counting money in Malaysia, we use 令吉. If you count money in China, so we change 令吉 into yuan. So that is money in China. Okay. So this is the answer for the price. 我的汉语书40令吉. This one 40 ringgit as our answer. So you use your answer, replace the question part. Change 你 into 我. Other words, you copy that. So 我的汉语书40令吉 means my Mandarin book 40 ringgit. So this is all of it. Today homework is translate your dialogue 1 and the dialogue 2. Okay, translate dialogue 1 and the dialogue 2. So video for our class I will upload to OL tomorrow evening. Okay, then that's all for today. So do you have any question? I will download your homework, and so next class I will tell you your marks for mixed sentence 1. Okay, marks for mixed sentence 1 I will tell you next class. So if you already settled, so 谢谢大家，再见。If you didn't scan your QR code, so QR code I will share right now. Okay, make sure you join our class early